Are you a fan of Mexican food? It is a fast-growing segment of the American diet. Head to the grocery store and you'll find a variety of salsas, canned and fresh jalapeno peppers, black beans, refried beans, and of course you'll find tortillas. Just a generation back, tortillas would only be found in ethnic grocery stores or in very limited offerings at your local supermarket. But not today. More than 1,000 companies make tortillas across the U.S. with annual sales in the billions of dollars. Tortillas are an unleavened flatbread made from corn or flour mixed with a little shortening of salt, then baked. By the way, if you think about it, the tortilla looks a lot like a French crepe or Eastern European blintz. Those, however, are made from flour, eggs, and sweetener. And while pizza makers may object, some pizza fans are even using the tortillas as a base for mini pizzas made from cheese and your favorite toppings, Mexican or otherwise, senor.